Wanted to give you an update on the HogOn Welding prints. We have the shipping container conversions, which is showing you how to turn a 40-foot high cube into 2 units with different layouts. This is actually just 2 sheets of it, but it comes with more. And that print is actually $500. It actually teaches you how to start a business. I give you some tips. It comes with an email, and also it comes with a video showing you how I did a conversion. With the welding skids, you can buy the horizontal or you can purchase the vertical. Either or. Both of these prints are $100. You can make it yourself. So the goal is you can be able to customize them, get the layout, see how I laid them out, and if you want to tweak them or add this or that, or have lifting knives or not have lifting knives, or however you want to do it, you can be able to customize everything yourself. I give you my prints, how it worked for me, how I'm using them, and how it has worked for others. So if you're interested, check out the website. That's HogOnWelding.com. That's HogOnWelding.com. Or you can actually inbox me and cash out me at HogOn 2017 on Cash Out. So however you want to do it, it's all up to you. But the prints are available. The prints are available, and you can be able to do plenty of things with these prints to help you stay mobile. Those are coming out of school that want to build a project. It helps you build a solid project, and also you making a contribution to a good cause. Like I say, I actually sat down, got everything lined out, paid for the prints to get developed correctly, used it, tweaked it, went back on it because I didn't think it was lined out the way I needed to. So you know how it goes. So I got them till I got everything fine-tuned. And like I say, my goal is to help someone gain their independence and be able to be independent. And I think the best way it is to owning tools. Tools are the best way, and knowing how to make money with those tools. Not just having tools, but knowing how to make money with those tools. That's why I always say I believe in turning a trade into a business. Turning a trade into a business. Literally. And there's so many ways you can do it. So as for those who do know, I'm hands-on. I love being in the field. I love saying field welding isn't shop welding, because you have to do different things in the field than you do in the shop. But if you can do both, you are a great asset. So I just want to help people gain their independence. And like I say, these are some prints that I developed and I made to help anyone who's trying to build a shipping container conversion. Those prints are $500. Or build them a welding skid to put in and out of their trucks, from 1500s to Rangers to S10s to 3500s. Whatever you got, you can customize it for your vehicle. So if that's you, those are $100, and you can purchase the vertical ones or the horizontal ones, whichever ones you want. So I appreciate y'all for supporting, and like I say, keep getting your hog on. Be blessed.